thing. Because you know why? We ain't never scared. We'll do it all. So, all right, what we got today. So this is a 2009 Ford F350 two-wheel drive. It's got the 6.4 Power Stroke in it. So, pretty nice truck. So we're gonna put a DJM suspension under it. So this is all the stuff that he brought us over here to do. So they come with these killer stickers. You know, I mean, we're all about the American stuff. You know what I'm saying? I know I am. I love all that.
That's not a sticker.
I'm sorry.
This is the stickers.
There's the stickers. Oh, look at that. I like that. Anyway, so what we got here, Trey? So this kit goes from a 99
to 2010.
2010, 250, 350 excursion.
It's a 3-inch drop beams.
And even Trey said that it'll work under, they're the same size beams as the Ford Rangers, what Trey says.
It looks like they are, okay? Don't hold me to this.
Sorry.
Thanks for doing that. Thanks, Wesley.
You're welcome. So you got both beams.
Yep.
Pretty decent, powder coated. Got, you know, pretty decent bushings. Got a little bit of rusty screw over there. We'll have to shoot a little bit of paint on that. Yep. So then it comes with front and rear shocks.
Yep.
All DJM. So we haven't opened those, but I'm pretty sure a shock looks like a shock. Oh. And then here's a
flip kit and shackle.
Flip kit and shackles.
Oh, look at there. More stickers.
More stickers. But all this is pretty decent powder coat. So, ooh, it's even got a picture, Trey. We got to get the picture out.
Oh, I'll get the picture. Hold on.
That's a short bed dude right there in that picture.
It should not matter.
No, I know.
Ooh, that is kind of nice, though. Can't lose them zip ties it comes with either. There's part number if anybody needs it. There you go.
That's your rear part number for your. So this one's from a 2008 to a 2011 flip kit. It may be a little different stuff, but pretty nice truck. So hopefully this will look just like that when it's done. So that's what we got. DJM suspension, which they've been around for ever and a day. So pretty good stuff. So, and it comes with all supplied hardware, which is cool. I always said, if you're gonna send me something, send me everything I need, because I don't want to have to go to the store to get it.
Exactly.
So I do appreciate that. Thanks, DJM. Yep. So let's get started and see what we can do. Are you ready, Jeff?
I'm ready. Jeff is ready.
Here we go.
Frank Bentley. Let's go. Yeah, make it look easy. Hey, stand up guy, boom, 10 toes. Big body pull up in a Range Rover. I can change the whole game when I say so. I pull up, shut it down, yeah, they know. Running this game ain't a thing for me. I never switched up, no change in me. The only thing changing this season, you go against me, then you know that you tweaking, okay? Cause baby, I'm him, I be on 10. Two-stepping in the party, I do not dance. Watch how I move, make it look easy.
Intercooler, outer cooler, outer cooler, intercooler. Cooler for the cooler, and a radiator.
Makes sense.
Bunch of coolers.
Makes sense.
So
makes it a whole lot cooler.
We're gonna go ahead, Jeff. So we're halfway through this unit.
Thought I was gonna do that.
Oh well, you weren't doing it, and I was there.
We're halfway through this unit,
but we're halfway there. So we're gonna get it turned around and do the back. Front was kind of a pain.
Yes.
But
why did you flinch?
Man, you got the fingers of, see? You got them steel fingers. I ain't playing with them.
Yeah, I'm drippy on the dirty. They can never count me out. They can never count me out. I know. They can never count me out. They can never count me out. I know I make it look easy. Make it look easy.
All right, guys. Trey's gonna let you know what we gotta do with these leaf springs. I'm gonna go beat on the frame.
Where's them bullets? That bullet right there. I'm putting this out right here and says for 5 minutes.
Dang no, dang no.
No, so we took the center pin out. It was furnished with a brand new one. And we removed this little bitty block and this toe spring, I guess it is.
Helper spring.
Helper spring. And the dial was upside down. We had to flip it and put it on the top instead of the bottom.
Because it gets a whole new plate up top.
Yep.
So everything moves to the top and all that good stuff. Actually, I think it goes this way, but yeah.
It goes on the bottom.
I don't know.
Look, cold little Caesars is good too.
Jeff is hungry.
Jeff. We didn't have this talk earlier.
Back to work. You also gotta just FYI, you gotta grind off the.
Oh, that's not the right one.
the rear hangers, and it provides new ones here. So it's no bueno. It's no fun at all, but we're doing it.
We're almost to the part of putting it back together now.
I know, that's the fun part. Put it down on the ground, we're like, ooh, ah.
Unless we put it up in there and it's like, oh, it needs a notch.
And we're like,
Why don't you bring the negativity, Trey?
I think it's going to need a notch.
It feels negative right now.
Hey, look, we're
Need
gonna,
a camber.
it's gonna be,
Look at the front end.
That's Jeff.
it's gonna be inconvenient low. That's the way we like them.
Yep.
We've all ran it that way.
Huh?
We've all ran them that way.
Yeah. Go show them the Cummins truck. It's inconvenient low. It's scary low, but we love it.
Hey. You have a notch.
Huh?
You have a notch.
No, the front sitting on the fender well.
This is what he's talking about is inconvenient low. If you guys haven't seen this, it's Wesley's Cummins truck. This is what he's referring to. It's sitting on the inner fenders right now. So we're gonna have to move those inner fenders up. But this son of a gun will be on the road real soon.
Too smooth, I make it look easy. I know we make it look easy. Make it look. I know love, shoot my shot, better play up. Make it look easy, that's a layup. Bad man. Why they wanna be like me, sad man? Too wavy, swallow your pride. All of my guys, call them, they slide. They will oblige. Called them, I told them, you playing with me. Now look, all of them starting to riot. Whoa, huh. When I'm in your city, it's magic. When I'm all in my bag, it gets tragic. When I see what I want, gotta have it. I can't let up, they made me a savage. I can't slow down my foot on the gas, yeah. Going way up from where I was last year. I'ma make it look easy, that's it. I know God got.
All right, so we're in the, my watch went dead, so obviously we've been up forever. We're in the 23rd hour of 24 hours.
Not me.
10:24.
I've been up for a while though.
But we got it done. Finally. It fought us.
Not again.
So, yeah. It wasn't terrible, but it's a long day. But it looks good. It looks really good. It's late, as you can see. It's dark. So, like, we'll get y'all some good shots tomorrow during the day. But it looks fantastic. And that's just us setting it down. We don't even know what it's going to look like. It's going to settle a little bit. But I tell you what, check this out. Best part of the whole truck right here. Oh yeah. Oh wait, we're 3 fingers right there. 3 fingers. I mean, like when it settles, we're hoping it's almost dragging the ground, you know. What's up, guys? So it's the next day. Got the dually out of the shop. Last night we finished about 10:30, so we're gonna go test drive. It was late last night. We were all tired, so we're gonna go test drive it real quick. Me and Blake get some rolling shots of it. Then we're gonna once over it, and then we're gonna give it back and let the owner enjoy it. So check it out. This is it before it settled. I'm sure it'll settle a little bit more. Let's take it down the road, see what it rides like. so we had a pinion issue we had to address, but other than that, we got it set right. It's riding great, man. I mean, like, I got up to about 70 just to make sure it didn't have no crazy vibrations, and man, it rode out fantastic. Nothing rubs. Maybe had to do something with the mud flaps there, just on point, but they still do rub a little bit. But maybe a little bit of exhaust work, and maybe it might get helper bags in the future. But other than that, man, this thing rides fantastic.
I'm glad it's done.
It's big. It's heavy. Everything was heavy. But man, it looks great.
It does.
It's settled out right. I mean, it sits perfect. I mean, it could go to a little bit lower, you know, but something that's going to tow a nice car. He's got a awesome Mustang on air ride. If you never seen the sticker. So we came, we saw, we conquered. Hopefully John's happy with it, and
I think he's going to enjoy it.
He drives it, enjoys it. So that's gonna do it though.
Yep. See y'all.
We did it for Trey. We did a Ford.
Thank God. Thank you.
See y'all.
I'm a girl, please don't give me a reason. I'm a vet, yeah, I see through your pieces. When I'm done, they gon' pick up the pieces. And you know we ain't losing the season. It's the reason why they hating on me. Cause you know that I'ma make it look easy. Ain't no stopping me now, no. Ain't no stopping me now, no, no. Ain't no stopping me now, no, no. Ain't no stopping me. I know I make it look easy. Make it look easy. I know I make it look easy.
Bye.
Breast ain't Trey, because I brushed my teeth before when I got home from work.
End of the day, I'll brush mine.
You don't brush them in the morning?
Yes. In the mornings when I get up and before I go to bed.
Sometimes I do it when I get home. I just feel like, you know, when I'm eating a lot of candy you work at the candy place, so I'm surprised you ain't eating candy all day.
That fat joke?
No, it's not.
Now, if I do have like a film on my teeth, yeah. Oh,
Yeah.
definitely.
All right, we're done with our teeth conversation.